Hello and welcome to the SAP ABAP Objects course. I'm glad you decided to take this course. Here you will learn how to create ABAP software from an object-oriented perspective. We will have a look at designing and conceptioning as well as object-oriented programming, which is quite different than the classical procedural programming. At the end of this course, you will be also able to work with technologies which are based on ABAP objects. These are, for example, ABAP WebTime Pro, Object Services, Web Services, and the SAP Business Workflow. This course is designed for all ABAP application developers who already have experience with ABAP and are familiar with the ABAP workbench. Basic concepts and terms of the programming language ABAP are not explained here. If you do not have ABAP skills and you want to quickly get in, I would recommend you my other course, the ABAP Crash Course for Beginners. You will find detailed information and a discount in the bonus lecture, which is the last lecture of this course. This course here is an introduction to ABAP objects. So you do not need experience with object-oriented programming. But I will explain the most theoretical concepts with many practical examples directly on the systems. So it's better for you to also do these exercises on your own. ABAP Objects is in the release SAP R3. So you do not need the newest version of the NetWeaver application server. But if you do not have access to an SAP test system, just take the course How to Install Your Own Local SAP Trial System. There you will see how to install an SAP Sandbox system for testing purposes. You will find detailed information also in the bonus lecture.